What's up, guys? It's been long. I didn't upload any videos. Really sorry for that. Today I will show you how to install Elementor Pro in your WordPress website. First, we need to install the Elementor free version to use the Pro. So from your WordPress dashboard, let's navigate to the plugins. Now click on Add New. So in the search box, let's type Elementor. Boom! This is the real Elementor plugin. So let's hit the install now button. It's installed. Now click on active. Boom! It's activated. Now we need to get the Elementor Pro. To buy Elementor Pro version, you can follow the link given in the video description, where you will get 3 days money back guarantee. That's awesome, right? After done the purchase, let's log into the Elementor account. In email, type your email and the password, and in the Elementor account, click on the subscription tab. None. In this tab, you need to download the zip. Let's hit the download button, and you will get the Elementor Pro file. Let's back to the WordPress dashboard. In plugin tab, click on add new, and in add new, click on upload plugin. So let's choose the file. Okay, now we need to install it. It will take few moments based on your internet speed. Boom, it's installed. Now click on active the plugin. So it's almost done. Now we need to connect and active the Elementor account. So let's click on connect and active. And here you need to connect your Elementor account with your WordPress website. That's all. Thank you, guys.